Beyond that, it's very versatile. You can cook it all sorts of ways, grind it up, use it as a flour when you're baking, all sorts of things you can do with it. Today I'm going to be making a summer quinoa light salad, maybe serve as an appetizer, go on nice parties. Start by toasting some pumpkin seeds, pepitas, just in a dry pan, about a half cup, maybe a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds. Chef, is this on?
It should be. Did it turn on underneath?
I'll let my chef assistant here figure that one out. While I'm doing that, I'm going to talk to you about sprouting. Sprouting is a really, really cool process. What it does is it starts to actually germinate a seed. In this case, quinoa actually is a seed, but you can sprout anything, legumes, grains, nuts, anything. What this does is it helps activate a lot of dormant nutrients, makes them more bioavailable for our body to process. So there's a lot of ways to sprout. The way I did was called the soaking sprouting method. So what you do is you soak quinoa for about 6 hours. After that 6 hours, you drain it, rinse it, put it in about a mason jar this size, and then you fashion yourself a lid that allows some drainage. What I did here is I took some cheesecloth and just kind of draped it over the top, and then twisted that back on. And then once you rinse that, drain out all the water, you want to leave this inverted in a dish so it allows all the excess water to drain. Every 8 or so hours, you want to take this out, rinse it, drain it, repeat the process. After about 24 to 36 hours, you will start to have very small sprouts, very little tails. This is actually the seed germinating. After 48 hours, the tails just continue to grow, and it develops, a lot different flavor and a different texture. So you can see here. Did you guys take all the bowls? Took all the bowls. We'll just do this. Just so you guys can take a look at it. If you look very closely, you can see the seeds start to split and little tails are coming out. No good.
3-second mark.
No good. Probably see it better in hand. See how it's starting to sprout?
Yeah. Put it up to like 10. Yeah, it is.
And this will just help break down the grain so you can actually eat this raw now. Now you can let this go a little longer.
That's actually a great point because you could use this as a breakfast syrup for really